In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join private Telegram channel without invite link. Before we start, it's important to know that Telegram is designed to keep private channels private. They don't show up in global search, and access is controlled by channel admins. That means T here is no guaranteed shortcut. But there are a few legitimate ways to locate or request access without a direct invite link. First, if you already know someone who's inside the channel, whether that's a friend, a colleague, or an administrator, ask them to add you directly. On their end, they can open the channel's info page, go to the members section, and use add members to include your account. Make sure they have your correct Telegram username and that you are easily identifiable, so they don't accidentally add the wrong person. This is the most reliable method, and it fully respects the channel's security settings because the admin or an existing member is approving your entry. Next, try looking for any related public groups. Many private channels operate a public discussion group or an announcement space where newcomers can learn more. In Telegram, use the global search bar to type the channel's name or keywords you associate with it. If you find a public companion group, open it and check the pinned messages and the group description. Often, if the private channel is accepting new members, you'll see a link to request access or instructions on how to join. Take a moment to verify that the group looks legitimate, consistent branding. An active community and clear admin posts are good signs, and be cautious of any third-party links that look suspicious. Finally, if the channel once had a public username or follows a predictable naming pattern, you can try guessing the username in your browser. Type t.me/ followed by the name you suspect. If the channel is private but still has that username reserved, Telegram may redirect you to a request to join page. From there, you can submit a join request, and an admin will decide whether to approve it. This method is hit or miss, and it depends entirely on how the channel is configured, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't work on the first try. To wrap up, remember that access is ultimately up to the channel's administrators. Avoid services that promise guaranteed entry or paid invites, those are often scams. Be patient. Follow the legitimate paths and respect the channel's privacy and community rules. Thanks for watching.